Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3813 for the 2020 Panini Origins football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, November 14th, 2020. It's 10:20 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:20 p.m. Central Time, and 7:20 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have MP 1 spot, C Walker 2, Rob 1, Kess 1, Want Some Lint with 1, Robberman 1, Solo 1, MDK 2, Wire Kenny 1, Ghost 1, Niche with 4, Juliana 1, Ron Bat 7, Everyday 1, Mike 2, Cowboy 2, Staple 3 spots. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams to the break. MP's on top, Staple on the bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Ron on top, Ghost Reaper on the bottom. Ron, you have the Cardinals, Niche with the Falcons, Staple Ravens, Cowboy Bills, Ron Panthers, Niche with the Bears, Everyday Bengals, Wire Kenny Browns, Niche with the Cowboys. We have Staple with the Broncos, Rob Lions, Cass Packers, C Walker Texans, Ron with the Colts, Jaguars, Mike with the Chiefs, MDK Raiders, Ron Chargers, Niche with the Rams, Solo Dolphins, Mike Vikings, MDK Patriots, MP Saints, Want Some Lint with the Giants, Juliana Jets, Cowboy Eagles, Staple Steelers, Robberman 49ers, Ron Bat Seahawks, C Walker Buccaneers, Ron Bat Titans, and last but not least, Ghost Reaper with the Washington Redskins. We're all sealed up, and whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Here. Let's go to the box, see what we have, and then go back through and highlight our winners. Starting with Leonard Fournette, Jacksonville Jaguars. We have Von Miller, Denver Broncos. Nice. Chris Godwin Future Fabrics patch here. 7 out of 25 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Very nice. Rookie auto, DeAndre Swift and the Lions. Here's the back. Baltimore Ravens, rookie patch auto, Devin Duvernay. Congrats, Baltimore. And we have Dak Prescott, 148 out of 299. Dallas Cowboys. And last but not least, Tyrann Mathieu, Kansas City Chiefs, 24 out of 99. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. Start with the Chiefs. Kansas City Chiefs going to Mike Waugh, 498. Congrats. Prescott and the Cowboys. Dallas Cowboys going to Nichno, 283. Congrats. Jacksonville Jaguars, Fournette. Ron Batts, congrats. Von Miller, Denver Broncos. Going to Staple, congrats Staple. DeAndre Swift, Detroit Lions rookie. Rob, 8701, congrats. Devin Duvernay, rookie patch auto, Baltimore Ravens. Staple, 5776, congrats. And last but not least, Chris Godwin, 7 out of 25. You got white, gray, black, orange, red. Very nice. And Tampa Bay Buccaneers, C. Walker, 856, 264. Congrats. And that was break 3813 for the 2020 Panini Origins football card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then up next, we have 3817 in the 2020 Gold Rush Gem Mint Baseball Card Pack Division Break. Thanks.